Hi, my name is Michelle Mooney. I'm here representing Logistics Manager, and I'm with...
Hi, I'm Gavin Clark. I work for Ehrhardt Partner Group, or EPG.
So, Gavin, can you please introduce yourself, your company, and what you're showcasing at this year's event?
So EPG are a global provider of supply chain software solutions. And the real element of the show for us here today is the opportunity to meet new people and meet our existing customers and really demonstrate some of the key products that we have. And we have a couple of key product launches to here today.
So could you tell us about one of the product launches you're here?
Sure. So the core product launch here today is our Lydia Live Voice Translate. So what Lydia Voice Translate does is it is an AI-based voice recognition tool that is our Lydia Voice. So it is it's a top-tier voice system. It's sort of 2 tiers above the other voice systems that are very common here in the UK. And then to add to that, because we have that algorithmic voice recognition engine already built into it, we've created a call to the DeepL Voice Translate server. So in real time, in warehouse operatives where maybe you have English as a second language staff, and the system will work very, very well. Already is a multilingual system, so it'll work very well with multilingual systems. However, it's only for pick commands or various things. Sometimes you may want to have somebody who freshly arrived into the country, English isn't particularly strong, they can follow the voice system, but they aren't able to understand what you want them to go work on the dock, or you want them to start work on a different area. So the system will do that in a live sub-second translation, and that's what we're here to launch today.
So what makes the Lydia Voice Live Translate stand out in the market?
So as I mentioned, it takes that algorithmic voice recognition engine that we've already got to the next level by allowing people to talk in real time in real language, and that's really, really key, as we mentioned before, about those different voice users. But also we're taking that technology and making it more available for presentations and allowing the key parts of the business to communicate. Overtime's available, or we have multilingual, and we have some more exciting things coming next, later in the year, that will also have that voice translate built into it as well. So it'll be a real package of multilingual capabilities for a worldwide audience.
Thank you. So what else is EPG promoting here at the event today?
So we have a range of products. We have sort of 4 key products. We have a warehouse management system called LFS, which is a very, very comprehensive Gartner-rated system. It has a lot of the key functionalities that you would expect in a warehouse system, plus a ton more. But the main thing and the most important part of it is it's configurable by the customer, which means that they can adapt and change as their business needs adapt and change. So Gartner have rated as one of the lowest total costs of ownership over the period. So it's a very, very sophisticated system. Other key products is our transport system called GreenPlan. This is another award-winning system. It won the Amazon last mile in 2021, which has not been won for ages. It beat the second place team by 42%. It has a very sophisticated algorithm. Everybody's using AI all the time now, but it's an algorithm and it's maths based, and that allows it to make these really key decisions and take preferences and constraints into consideration. We have our own warehouse control system, and we also have our Lydia Voice, which we talked about from the beginning.
Great, thank you. So how have customer demands evolved, and how is your company adapting to these changes?
So what the key thing that we found is, as we just talked about here, so what applications are you here to promote? But what we found is, as customer needs have changed and adapted, what we've done is we've created a suite of products, and they're all now interconnected. So what we're really hoping to promote here at the show and LogiMat and the other events that we've been to so far this year is that we'll be forming an ERP for logistics. So all these different systems, they're not necessarily you've got a WMS or you've got TMS. It's an interconnected suite that you can have little pieces of. You don't have to have the whole package, not like an ERP where you have to have it all, but that would slowly build into an ecosystem. And that's what customers have told us, is they want one supplier, they want one set of integrations, they want all of those different things, so that it's all available for them to use as they need and as they roll it out, and that's been really important for us.
Thank you. And finally, What are the key takeaways you want visitors to leave with after engaging with your team?
So I think that the two main things is that we have an ERP system that will work with their ERP system to absolutely smash out the park of their KPIs, their business savings, their CO2 savings by driving different changes and different innovations, all from within our EPG ONE suite. And that we also have a AI-based voice recognition engine that the voice translate piece is just a simple part of, that means that our voice system will help them to achieve faster picking, faster operations, and improved hardware resiliency across their base.
Great, thank you so much Gavin and EPG for joining us here at IntraLogisteX 2025.
Thank you.